ourselves from one of the most dangerous, sharp knives, where just one slip can leave you with a serious injury. Introducing Sharp Shield gloves from JML, the copper fiber cut-resistant gloves that shield your hands from sharp edges. Now you can slice, dice, chop, peel, and even grate with total protection and total precision. Just watch how this super sharp knife slices through all kinds of foods while your hands stay completely protected. Sharp Shield gloves offer the maximum level 5 cut resistance rating, giving you complete confidence when using a sharp blade. Even this jagged edge won't penetrate Sharp Shield's tough design. Sharp Shield will protect your hands from the sharpest of blades, as well as nasty nicks and grazes when peeling or grating. The secret's in the super tough polyethylene fiber and ultra-fine copper weave that work together to create a lightweight yet virtually impenetrable layer of protection. Watch how this Stanley knife slices through these tough-wearing gloves designed to protect your hands, but doesn't make a scratch on the Sharp Shield gloves. Incredible! Sharp Shield gloves fit any size hand without any loss of dexterity or movement and offer maximum grip, wet or dry. And they'll also protect your hands from nasty odors like onions and garlic. Sharp Shield gloves are not just for the kitchen. Shield your hands when picking up sharp shards of glass. Ideal for using power tools and odd DIY jobs. You can even use Sharp Shield in the garden. And if they get dirty, simply throw them in the washing machine so they're ready to keep your hands shielded again and again. Don't leave your fingers exposed, and make sure you shield your hands from the sharpest blades with Sharp Shield gloves from JML.
How about a bottle that cleans itself? We've created the Lark bottle, the world's first self-cleaning bottle with on-the-go water purification. Lark uses UV light to break up the DNA of harmful odour-causing bacteria. Hospitals have been using the same UV light to quickly and safely sterilise operating rooms for the past decade. We've scaled this LED technology to fit inside this cap. Imagine a pitcher of questionable water. Lark starts working at the touch of a button, and in 60 seconds, you've got pristine drinking water. Lark works automatically in the background, 6 times a day, to keep your bottle and water crystal clean. And Lark is 100% BPA-free stainless steel. It's vacuum sealed and double insulated, so it stays cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours, and never breaks a sweat. Ah! There's no hydro challenge Lark can't handle. Whether you're bopping around town, training for your next triathlon, or on an expedition to the summit, Lark is always working hard so you don't have to, keeping your water fresh and your bottle clean and stink-free. So help make the perfect water bottle a reality and never ever worry about that stinky bottle again.
you.